Hello there guys, today we're going to do an unbagging of some non-genuine pneumatic attachments. So here's the bag. We're just going to unbag these. Now, I'll stick my trusty knife into the bag. Loads of cuts on it already. So this is a full tool kit with the small tools too. I think it cost me £12 something on eBay, so I'm short on these. So here's a floor tool. Non-genuine type tool. Yeah, works very well. So the floor tool. We've got my invoice. Just over there. Oh, comes with some smellies. Some smelly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, handy. Always handy. With a hose. It's got the proper pneumatic thing on it instead of the other type. I'm going to swap these over actually from my other hose, because I like the non-genuine type of hose. These come with. Rip it, I suppose. The old trusty knife. So just hack my way into this, I suppose. There will be a review coming up of the AEGs that I'm sitting next to. Freaking hell. Bloody hell. Oh, you turd. Right, let's just go and get some scissors. Got some scissors now. That's it. Try and cut this. It's actually quite a hard little sod to cut, this is. That's it. Might have a review coming up of these too. That's it. There's the hose it comes with. It's got the Henry type, not the other type, isn't it? I've got the other type and a Henry sitting over here. Just get it off. It's still cheap feeling. The hose. This is the other type of it that they come with, but they're different. I prefer this type, but I'll put this hose on, this Henry over here, that I'm going to be selling to my friend hopefully soon. That's it. Goes on there. Hose. There we go. So we've got the floor tool and the hose so far, and the smelly. We've got a metal extension wand. That feels quite nice. This is a different type. This is oh no, is it? Oh no. At least that's a bit more stiff. Got the bend for the end. Bend for the end. Another wand. We've got the small adapter tool. That's nice. Goes there. Got the brush tool. Oh, that doesn't look like a proper pneumatic one. That's a different design. That over there. We've got the dusting brush. Open my scissors when you need them. They're up here. This brush is over there. Thing. The brushes on that are pretty small. That comes out like that, I suppose it does. I could suppose have a knackered dusting brush in somewhere. Just put the brushes off of that on this. There's a brush. And then here somewhere should be the crevice tool. Oh, it's got some stuff on it, different design. Yeah, so that was all everything in that quick unboxing. To be honest with you, I might even keep a new hose. I don't know what to do. Keep a new hose. I'll keep that hose there, which I was originally going to sell. Just the other crappy one. There's just a hose. Get another end, can't I? So, yeah, there's all the stuff that you get. So you get the hose, so 4mm hose, the elbow, 2 wands, the floor tool, the adapter, the crevice tool, the brush, and the upholstery nozzle with a pack of smellies. What machine does need attachments? Let me go and get the nearest Hoover. Don't know what one to get because most of them have got attachments. I don't really want to get the. I'll just get the old blue Henry out. Yeah, we got the blue Henry. Don't use that one a lot now. Let's try these out, I suppose. So, the Henry over back here. How are we doing for time? 6 minutes, so that's alright. So the hose screws on the front there. So, nice. And then you can get your tube here. Your adapter goes on. Either way, that's it, like that. And then 1, 2, 3. That's it. Oh, it's not as tall as the other ones. I have had ones in the past with massive bends on them, and the tube's just been ridiculously tall. It's over here. Okay, won't give it a try. Another bit of carpet just got sitting here. So here we go. These are fine. They're alright for £12 something. I can't complain for that. There's the crevice tool on there. See how big the adapter goes in. So here's the adapter. Goes in to the end of the hose. And then you get your crevice tool go on there. You see, look at that. Perfect. And then I can use that for the car. But these tools probably remain unused, as I've got plenty of tools. They're the tools. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and bye for now.